Good morning. Just started really pouring outside. I've just come over to the main house as I'm going to split some wood. When the owner was here, were they here? About a week ago or so, he got the chainsaw out and cut up a bunch of wood. So my job is to split that wood on the wood splitter for firewood. So I'm just gonna go down there now and start splitting some wood. But I think on the way I'm gonna check on my logs that I pulled in yesterday, make sure they're still there. And there they are. They're still there. Woo! So here's the splitter, and I've got to split that wood. And this is the wood that was cut up, so all that has to be split as well. And this is what we've done so far. I think it's about 6 rows of wood. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. So I got a solid chunk done, so I think I'm going to stop it there. So this is what I got done. So that's quite a bit. It's a good chunk. You might be able to hear the generator running in the background. I think it's about time I turned that off. And look at that guy. Anyway, I'm gonna go turn off the generator and I'll see you next time.